Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Valorant on your mobile phone. So basically you're going to need to download this app on the App Store. It's called Moonlight. So Moonlight Game Streaming, this one right here. You're going to need to download this. Okay? Then you're also going to need to download this one app on your computer that you have Valorant installed on. So I'm gonna just cut to that real quick. Okay, so once you're on your computer, go right here and type in Sunshine Lizard Bite, like just like I typed right here. Press enter. And this GitHub link right here, press on this. Once you're on your GitHub page, go to releases and press on the latest release, and then go down, and then select whatever platform you're on. For me, I'm on Windows, so you're gonna press the installer, and then once you install the installer, you're gonna go to your downloads and then press it right here, and then that's gonna install the application. Once you're done that, let's go to the application. Sunshine, Windows installer, yes. As you see, already have it installed, so I don't need to do the setup, but you're gonna need to do the setup since you probably don't have it installed. Okay. Open up the app. Okay, you press continue to localhost because this is the thing that's gonna host your computer on your phone. Right here, put in the password. You need to create a new one. Just put in some random password. I'll make the use Sunshine one. Wait. Okay, and then put in the credentials you just made. Okay, as you can see, you are now signed in. You go to applications. Okay, you can add. Okay, you already have desktop. Okay, and that's good. You can look through all this if you want. So now, what you're gonna do? Go back on your phone. Okay, once you are on your phone and you hosted the Sunshine server, go to Moonlight, and then as you can see, my desktop is right here. So you can press on your desktop, and you're gonna put in the pin. So there's gonna be a pairing request on your computer. It's like a notification. Click on that and then put in the pin that it says right here. So I'm gonna put in the pin on my computer really quick. And then put in the device name. So as you can see, my device name is desktop and a bunch of numbers and letters. Okay, success. As you can look, and boom, I could either pick desktop or Steam. Pick my desktop, starting, and boom. As you can see, my computer is now paired, and I can use this control. I'm gonna open up Valorant, and I'm gonna use these controls to play Valorant. Or you could connect your controller, which will be way easier. And yeah, it's very like responsive. There's like no lag at all. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.